I'm going to start with sneezing.
OK.
So these are 4 pictures of the supernova Betelgeuse, right, which is the second brightest element of the constellation of Orion, right? So it's something that you could see. It used to shine so brightly, it used to shine brighter than a full moon, so it was even visible at midday. What you're seeing here is a series of pictures, and this dark cloud, or this dark mass here, is effectively, it's being described as a cosmic sneeze. Because when these gases, they kind of gathered and then it was a patch of dense heated material and it moved out at 200,000 miles per hour, if you can envisage that, and it's effectively being described as a big sneeze, and it's lost mass at a rate of 30 million times higher than our own sun.
I've got to say
it's lost twice the normal amount of material.